Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching us today. We're working on that Mercedes W211 E-Class, guys, from 2003, the generation all the way until 2008-9. And one thing about this one, the sunroof does not open, doesn't work. So I'm gonna show you guys, let me show you first how it doesn't work, which fuse it is, we'll demonstrate where to find it, how to replace it, and if that's going to fix our problem today. Okay, the key is on. Okay. And nothing. Does not work at all. So if you guys, okay, you need to make sure you pull the key out before you do that, before you replace any fuses. So you need to get out of the car, go to the trunk, and it's on the left side. You'll find the fuse box there. Okay, we'll need to remove that cover. Okay, and then you have fuse, you'll be number 9. So you're starting from the bottom, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's supposed to be a 25 amp fuse, and this one is a 20 amp. Somebody put a smaller fuse, but the manual on this specific model requires for 25. The fuse is burnt, guys. As you can see, not good. So we'll get a 25 that we're supposed to have there. Okay, we'll plug it in. Okay, and let's see if that will fix our problem now. We have a video how to manually close your sunroof if it's the motor or something else and you're not able to fix it with the fuse. Okay, let's check it out now. Okay, keys on. Okay, moment of the truth. Yep, that works. So it opens, guys. So that's the fuse. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.